Heath, here we go. Box number 7. Box 7. Good luck, brother. Whew. That one gave me the sweats. All right. Here we go. Number 25, Dez Bryant. Number 35, Gerald Everett. Shane, no problem, brother. Next, 10 of 15. James Conner, Isaiah Crowell, dual rivals patch. Nice one. To 15, Heath. And number to 50, another pretty one. Curtis Samuel out of Ohio State. Rookie patch auto green. To 50. G-Dog, they're pretty nice. They're pretty nice. To 99, Mike Evans. To 199, Josh Dotson, jumbo. Number to 50, Donta Foreman. Oh, nice. Triple threat, Donta Foreman. Patch football. And to 299, Joe Williams. Aspiring rookie patch auto. Next, 3 of 3, Thurman Thomas. Nice. 3 of 3, Thurman. Next to 199, Chris Godwin jumbo. To 99, dang. Russell Wilson Immense Materials jumbo patch. And to 299, Marlon Mack rookie patch auto. And pack 4. There we go. Number to 99, Chad Kelly. To 199, Kenny Galladay. That's weird. It's in the pack backwards. Kenny Galladay. Look, next one's face up. Andrew Luck and Marlon Mack. And Heath, I think I like the last one. It's a nice one. 2 of 5. Mike Williams, rookie patch auto orange. 2 of 5. Heath, there you have it, brother.